How to send direct message in Instagram in 3 different ways. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. The first way is to move into your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, head over to the direct message option right over here. Move into the inbox of the person that you want to message. Now type in the text that you want to send and then click on send. There you go, this is the first method. Well, now the second way is to go back to your home page. Once you're in the home page of Instagram, click on the search icon at the bottom. Search the name of the person that you want to send the message and then click on it. You can see the option of message right over here. Tap on it. Now once again, type in the message that you want to send to this person and then click on the send icon. That's it. Now the third way is go back and once again head over to the search option. Search for the person that you want to send the message, and if you haven't followed this person, then click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the option of send message, click on it. Once you're in their inbox, type in the message that you want to send and click on send. The message will be sent successfully. So these are the 3 ways in order for you to send a direct message on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.